Hello friends, once again welcome to the channel. This is Arun here. As you all know, TCS National Qualifier Test 2021 dates are declared and it will be conducting in another 2 weeks. So I think this video will be helpful for the candidates those who are preparing for NQT. So we will discuss the previous question as in the form of mock test here. So let us go to the questions, but before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon to get the remaining mock tests which I decided to do as a continuation of this. Okay, so let us move to the questions one by one. A two-digit number is 18 less than the square of the sum of its digits. How many such numbers are there? Okay, questions. A two-digit number is 18 less than the square of the sum of its digits. How many such numbers are there? Options are A1, B2, C3 and D4. Okay, how can we express a two-digit number in terms of two variables? Say x and a and b. A and b are the two digits, so we can take the two-digit number as n. So we can represent it as n equal to 10a plus b. So if a and b are the digits of a two-digit number, we can represent it as 10a plus b. For example, 23, if we consider a is 2 here and b is 3 here, it can be represented as 10 into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 23. So any two-digit number can be represented in terms of two variables as 10a plus b or 10x plus y, whatever it is. Okay, clear? So it is given in the question. The condition, a two-digit number, that is 10a plus b, is 18 less than the square of the sum of its digits. Square of the sum of its digits means a plus b the whole square. That is sum of the digits square. Square of the sum of digits minus 18. Okay, so this two-digit number 10a plus b is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 18. So we can do one thing. We can take that a plus b as k square, k. So k square minus 18. So which means that this two-digit number should be 18 less than the square of a number. It should be a perfect square, right? So this perfect square minus 18. So if we consider 1, that perfect squares are 1, 4, that is 2 square, then 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square then 25, up to 100 we can do it, up to 11, 10, that is 36, yeah, 49, 8 square 64, then 9 square 81, then 100, that is 10 square, then one more 11 also we can just write it and it will continue like that, etc, etc. So we can consider the numbers one by one. For perfect square, suppose if k square is 1, it is 1 minus 18. No, we are getting a negative number, right? Because it should be, that number k square should be greater than 18. So up to 16 we can just ruled out. So 25 minus, if the perfect square is 25, then 25 minus 18, that we will get 7, but that is a single digit number, right? So that is not satisfying. So 25 also we can just eliminate. Then 36, if we consider 36, okay, 36 minus 18, that we will get 18, right? Okay, so 18 and 18, if 18 is the number, 1 and 8 are the digits, so we can check that is satisfying. So n equal to 18 that we got. So n equation is n equal to a plus b the whole square minus 18. Is it satisfying? So we got n as 18. Now we can check, a is 1 here and b is 8 here. So 1 plus 8 the whole square, that is 1 plus 8 the whole square minus 18. If you get the same result as 18, same answer as 18, then that number can be considered or it will be satisfying. But 1 plus 9 8 9 square, that is 81 minus 18, but which is not equal to 18. So 36 cannot be considered as the perfect square. So 18 is not the number. okay, that we will get 63. So when we take 18, we got 18 as the number, two-digit number, but when we substitute in the equations, that the condition, we are not getting 18 is equal to 18. So 63 that we are getting. So 18, so 36 is not satisfying. Then we can go to next number, that is next perfect square, that is 49. So 49 minus 18, that we will get 31. So 31. So what are the digits? 3 and 1. 3 plus 1, 4 square minus 18. So we are getting a negative number, that is not satisfying again. So we can consider the next perfect square, that is 64 minus 18. 64 minus 18, so what will be getting? Yes, 64 minus 18. So we are considering, and we will be getting the number 46. 46, so the digits are 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 square means 100. 100 minus 18, this is 82 that we are getting. But that is not equal to 46, which means it is not satisfying, right? So it is not satisfying. Then 64 is not again possible. Then 81 if we consider, 81 minus 18. Okay, 81 minus 18, that we will get 63. 63 digits are 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 the whole square, that is 9 square minus 18. What we are getting? Then that is 9 square minus 18. 9 square is 81. 81 minus 18. Okay, we are getting 63. So it is satisfying, right? So okay, 63 is equal to 63. So first number, it could be 63. 63. So 81, the perfect square 81 is satisfying. Then we can check the next perfect square, that is 100. Okay. So 100 minus 18, that we cannot check it as 100 minus 18. Next number, that is next perfect square, what we will get? Okay, that is 82. 100 minus 18, 82. 82 means 8 plus 2 the whole square minus 18. Again 9 square, 10 square minus 18, that is equal to 82. So 82 equal to 82, which means 100 is also satisfying. So 82 is the next number. So 81 and 100 both are satisfying. Both squares are perfect squares are satisfying. So we can check the next number, that is 121 minus 18. Okay, this is 103 that we are getting. That is a 3-digit number. So we need not check from 121 onwards. That is a 3-digit number. So the question is a 2-digit number, 18 less than the square of the sum of its digits. So how many such numbers are there? There are two numbers, right? That is 63 and 82. Okay, these are the explanation. Those who want the explanations, we can note it down. So answer is option B here. Okay, so next question. If a positive integer n is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. Which of the numbers below is a remainder 0 when it is divided by 5? A positive integer n is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. So n divided by 5. So suppose we can take it as k. Yes, k times 5, 5k. Remainder it is given as 3. So what is that number? N equal to, we can write it as n equal to 5k plus 3. So that n is 5k plus 3. So which of the following number yields as remainder 0 when it is divided by 5? That is what is asking in the question. So we can consider first two options one by one. So n plus 3. Suppose if n plus 3 is that number, we have to check it. That is n plus 3 means 5k plus n is 5k plus 3. So n plus 3 means 5k plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 5k plus 6 that we will get. But look at that, this is that number. If we divide it by 5, we will not get a remainder 0, we will get a remainder of 6, because 5 times k plus 6 will get a remainder of 1 or 6. Okay, so next one is n plus 2, that is 5k plus 2 means 5k plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5k plus 5. Okay, this is a multiple of 5, that we can take the 5 out. So it will be 5 into k plus 1. Yes, 5 into k plus 1, so it can be divisible by 5. So our remainder is 0 here. So answer is option B. It will be matching. Right? Yes. So answer is option B. Okay, so next question. If an integer n is divisible by 3, 5 and 12, what is the next larger integer divisible by all these three numbers? So if an n is divisible by 3, 5 and 12, which is the next larger integer divisible by all these numbers. If it is divisible by 3, 5 and 12, it should be divisible by its LCM of these three numbers, right? So we can consider the LCM of three numbers, that is 3, 5 and 12. That will be we have to find out the next larger integer divisible by all these numbers. So 3, 5 and 12, what is the LCM? So LCM will be 60. So just calculate it for understanding. 3, 5 and 12, we can take 3, so 1 times 3, then 5 have to be written there, then 4 into 5 into 3 is equal to LCM is equal to 60. So that number should be multiplied by divided by 60. It should be divisible by 60. That next larger number should be divisible by 60 as well. So we can consider that number as 60n. So as all these numbers are divisible by 3, 5 and 12, it should be a multiple of this LCM of these numbers, right? So we can consider it as 60 k, or n is equal to 60k, that we can be taken as the number 60 times that number should be a multiple of 60. So we can take it as 60n. So after taking as 60k, so we can go through the options one by one and check which one is matching. So n plus 36, it won't be matching, because we can take that n is equal to 60k. So what will happen, that is a 60k plus 36, obviously the remainder will be there, so which is not divisible by 60. So 60k plus 36, it cannot be divisible by 30, so remainder will be there, so it is not divisible by 30 as if. So what is the next larger integer divisible by all these three numbers? It can be divisible by 3, that is fine, but 5 it is not possible to divide, there will be a remainder, so option A is not matching. We can see that n plus 60 option is there, 60, so 60k plus 60, obviously directly go. That is why I asked you to go through the options once. It will be more easy to get the answer even after just going through the options. Immediately it will click that 60, n plus 60 is there, so we can take 60 out, 60k plus 60, so 60 into k plus 1 divided by 60. Yes, there is no remainder, so that can be divisible by 60. So answer is option D, n plus 60, right? That was an easy question. Yes, this is the explanation if you want. Answer is option D, 60, n plus 60, that will be the answer. Okay, we can move to the next question. What is the smallest positive 2-digit whole number divisible by 3 such that the sum of its digits is 9? Is the smallest positive 2-digit whole number divided by 3 such that the sum of its digits is 9. So this question we can go through the options and check it easily. So sum of digits 9 means 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 3 it can be eliminated as the sum is 6, 7 plus 2 9, 1 plus 8 9, and 9 plus 0, 9. So sum of digits for all the four options are 9. In that, it is asking the smallest positive integer. Yes, smallest number is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3 as well. So answer is 18, which is satisfying the condition. The smallest integer which is satisfying both the conditions is 18. So answer is 18, option D. So next question, if n is an integer, when 2n plus 2 the whole square is divided by 4, the remainder is. If n is an integer, when 2n plus 2 the whole square is divided by 4, the remainder is. So 2n plus 2 the whole square can be written as, you can take the 2 out, that is 2 into n plus 1 the whole square. 2 into n plus 1 the whole square, that is square is for 2 as well. So square, so 2 square is 4, right? So it can be rewritten as 4 into n plus 1 the whole square. 4 into n plus 1 the whole square. Yes, is when it is divided by 4, that 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So the answer will be n plus 1 the whole square, and there is no remainder, and it is divisible by 4. So n plus 1 the whole square will be the final answer. Then remainder is 0. So answer is, what is the remainder? That is what is asking. So answer is 0A, option. Next question, this reasoning part, this is again very important. We have to give equal importance to reasoning session as well for NQT, because arrangements questions will be there, blood relations questions will be there, and some other coding decoding questions will be there, clocks and calendars will be there. Okay, so we can check. This is related to blood relations. M, N, O and P are different individuals. M is the daughter of N. N is the son of O. O is the father of P. So these are the directions which is given. Among the following statements, which one is true? M is the daughter of P. Option A, it is given. Option B, if B is the daughter of N, then M and B are sisters, as it is given. And option C, if C is the granddaughter of O, then C and M are sisters. And option D, it is given, P and N are brothers. So we can check the options. First we'll do one thing. We can draw the family diagram based on the given instructions in the question. So first it is given as M is the daughter of N. Sorry, I started from the second conditions. Let me start from the first condition here. So I'm just erasing that. Okay. Okay, what is the first condition? M is the daughter of N. So, okay, M is the daughter of N. So we can take first E. M is the daughter of N. So M is the daughter. So the gender of M is female, right? Okay. So next is second condition. N is the son of O. N is the son of O. So okay. N is the son of O. We can mark O there. O is the parent, either father or mother, that we will. So N is the son, it is given that, which means N is the gender of N is male. That can be just marked it here, M. Okay, next is O is the father of P. O is the father of P. So O is male again. O is the father of P. That's all about the conditions. But the P's gender is unknown here, right? Gender of P is unknown here. So first condition, M is the daughter of P. No, that is wrong, because M is the daughter of N. N and P are siblings. So first condition is not matching. So we can just eliminate. Second condition, if B is the daughter of N, so we can mark it as B is the daughter of N. Yes. Then B and M are siblings, right? And both are females. Second condition, if B is the daughter of N, then M and B are sisters. Yes, that is right. M and B are sisters is right. They are siblings and they both are females. So B and M are sisters. So option B is the right answer for this question. Okay, next question. A, B, C and D go for a picnic. When A stands on the weighing machine, B also climbs on, and the weight shows was 132 kg. When B stands, C was also climbs on, and the machine shows it's 130 kg. Similarly, the weight of C and D found as 102 kg, and that of B and D is 116 kg. What is D's weight? We have to find out the weight of D. Okay, so from the first condition A and B, that is A plus B's total weight is 132 kg. So A plus B equal to 132 kg, that we can. Then similarly B plus C is given as 130 kg. B plus C equal to 130 kg, right? Yes. Okay, and then C and D. So C plus D is equal to 102 kg. C plus 2 is equal to 102 kg. Yes. C plus D is equal to 102 kg, and then B plus D is equal to 116. So B plus D is equal to 116 kg. Yes. So we can take these equations, 4 equations that we got, right? So equation A plus B equal to 132, that can be marked as 1. Equation 1, yes, and 2, equation 3 and 4. So we have to solve the value for D. That is, what is D's weight, right? Okay, we have to solve the value for D. What is D's weight? Okay, if we consider that equation 2 minus 3, 2 minus, that is B plus C minus C minus D, then we can eliminate the eliminate C option, right? C, the value of C, that is 130 minus 102. So from this we can eliminate the term C here. So we will get the equation in terms of B and D. So it is B minus D is equal to, that is B plus C minus C. So C will get cancels, and B minus D is equal to 130 minus 102 is equal to 28, right? Okay, B minus D is equal to 28. That can be taken as equation 5, and we have equation 4, B plus D is equal to 116. So if we solve both this 4 and 5, that is 4 minus 5 can be done. Equation 4 minus 5, that is B plus D equal to 116, and B minus D is equal to 28. Okay, B minus D equal to 28, yes. Okay, so when we subtract this 0, that's, we will get 2D. D minus minus of D is equal to plus 2D is equal to, here what we will get is equal to 88. 116 minus 28, that will be getting 88. So 2D equal to 88, so D equal to 44, right? Okay, so what is the weight of D? It is 44 kg. Option C is the right answer. Hope it is clear, all of you. That is an easy question. Just form the equations. That's it. And the value of D is, weight of D is 44 kg. Option C. Okay, next question. Given the following information, who is youngest? So informations are given. Who is youngest? C is younger than A is taller than B, C is older than B, C is younger than D, B is taller than C, and A is older than D. We have to find out who is youngest. So which means the height comparison is not needed here. A is taller than B and B is taller than C. That we can be eliminated. So first condition, C is younger than A, which means C less than A, right? Next one is, we are considering C is older than B, so C greater than B. Next, C is younger than D, C less than D. Next, we need not consider that taller. So next is A is older than D. Look at that, A is older than D. First condition, C less than A, C greater than B. So C less than, B less than C. That is wrong. Sorry. That can be written. Sorry, let me erase that. Okay, forget about that. See, it is B less than C, right? As C is greater than, then C greater than A and C greater than D is there. and it is given that A is greater than D. So C less than A and D less than A. So this will be the final arrangement. When we combine all these arrangements, it will be B less than, C less than, D less than A. So answer is youngest one is B. Option B, answer B. Right? So answer is B. B less than, C less than, D less than A. So answer is B. Okay, so that is the answer, option B. Okay, thank you for watching the channel. Hope you enjoyed it. We will continue mock test 2 as well. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.